everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking snow peas 101, a little bit about the basics of what they are. Snow peas are cousins with sugar snap peas, and they are in the legume family. They have large flattened green pods with very tiny little green peas on the inside. Now, in other parts of the world, they're often referred to as Holland peas. We know that they were grown and enjoyed in Holland as early as the 1500s. They became very popular in the European nations in the 1800s, and from there they moved on over and spread over into China, where they quickly incorporated them into their cuisine. And we usually think of snow peas as being a part of Asian dishes nowadays. The peak season for snow peas is the spring through early summer, so they're a cool weather crop, but in the United States we can often find them in many grocery stores year-round. The pods and the peas are edible, so they're really an easy vegetable to work with. You just wash them, trim them a little bit if you want to, and enjoy them. And they can be enjoyed raw or cooked, which is nice. They have a sweet flavor and kind of just a mild, crisp, tender texture, so they're very nice. And of course they are commonly used in Asian cuisine and included in stir fries and fried rice and noodle dishes as well. They can also be used in soups and curries and meat dishes too. Now, snow peas are very, very high in vitamin C, which makes them an excellent food to add to your meals. And they're low in calories, only about 67 calories or so in a cup of snow peas. So they're really a low calorie type of food. So you can feel free to eat snow peas, but just be careful how much of what other stuff you put on them. They're very good sources of fiber, folate, other B vitamins as well, vitamin K, and an array of minerals including calcium and iron, zinc, selenium, copper, and manganese. And they also have a lot of antioxidants in them, which are very important in our foods. And that would include carotenes, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Their nutritional profile, with all things considered, makes them very important for our health in helping to fight free radicals and preventing cellular damage, lowering our cholesterol levels, protecting our bones, fighting cancer, and also helping to protect our brains from dementia and Alzheimer's. So if you have not tried snow peas, let me encourage you to give them a whirl, because they are delicious, they're easy to work with, and they're very helpful to include. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.